How to write a text on the ground. Import your image into Photoshop. Write your text and make a selection of it, then copy the selection. Go back to your image and create an empty layer above it. With the empty layer selected, go to Filter, then Vanishing Point. Create your frames with the pins and paste your selection. Then transform the text and place it as you deem fit, then press OK. Using the blending options, blend the layer with the background to give it texture, and choose a befitting color.